Hello guys, in this video we are gonna see Bangla walking street. Bangla walking street is located in Katha district of Phuket Island, Thailand. Bangla night market is in the strategically location at the end of Bangla walking street. Bangla night market is mainly for local shopping and dining for local yummy foods. Bangla night market is operating from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. daily. The street is very colorful in the night time. In the middle of Bangla Road, there is a street full of dining with yummy dishes. There are variety of seafood options for tourists and local people. There are lots of dining here to taste the local foods and dishes. Mainly, lots of seafood variety as well as many others. The street has many fruits and drinks shops as well. Bangla Road is also known as the night market, a vibrant place and bustling street located in Phuket, Thailand. The Bangla Road is mainly very famous for its extravagant nightlife. After 10 p.m., Bangla Road is full of night parties and nightlife activities. It's a strategic location for nightlife. Significantly, large number of street performers, street vendors, ping pong shows, and much more. After 6 p.m., recommend not to travel with family, especially with kids. The street is full of bars and open dance. Hope you like the video and the information is provided here. Kindly do like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching Kanaulagam Travel Guide.